Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would share with you guys a Thanksgiving makeup look because Thanksgiving's right around the corner and I don't know about you, but I cannot wait. It's one of my favorite days of the year because I get to feast. Me, when I think of Thanksgiving Day, I think of browns, a lot of like warm tones going on the face. That's usually my go-to and it will be, again, my go-to this year. So I do want to create a nice smoky look because that's my favorite. I just love a nice smoky look. So guys, if you're interested in checking out my go-to Thanksgiving makeup look, then keep on watching. So let's get started. So I already have my brows filled in, so we don't have to bore you with that. I'm gonna start off with my ELF Mineral Infused Primer. I love this primer. I feel like it gives like a really nice glow to your face. It feels very hydrating. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And this is in the color Classic Beige. I'm just gonna grab my beauty sponge and pat away. I took a break from this foundation for a while and I'm back. I love it that much. Just smooths everything out and kind of gives like an airbrushed look and I'm definitely cool with that. Okay, and now I'm just gonna do a little bit of concealing underneath the eyes here with my Tarte Shape Tape. Dab it around and I'm gonna go over the eyelid. Gotta prime that eyelid. I actually don't own any eyeshadow primer, so concealer is my primer. It definitely brightens the eye. Like, look at that. It's insane. This is super great coverage. So I do have a few minor breakouts right now because I've been eating a lot of sweets. I'm just gonna dab a little bit. I'm just gonna kind of clean up some of these breakouts here. And I'm just gonna go ahead with my Eco Tools, the Correction Concealer Brush, and just kind of pack that concealer in and create a acne-free face. All right, guys, so now that we have our foundation, everything's set up, it is time to add on some browns. And I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, and this is just gonna be my contour. I've been loving cream contours lately, and technically this isn't even a contour stick. This is just a foundation, but it works really well. I love it. It stays on all day, and it's just pigmented. It's perfect. And I have been loving contouring the jawline. It's just made a world of difference for me. I love it. It just slims out the face and kind of just really highlights the features that you want to be highlighted. Gives a nice sleek look. Now I'm just gonna grab my complexion buffer and just buff it out. See what I mean? Like, that is some definition right there. I am definitely going to set this face a little bit, and I'm just using the ELF translucent powder and just gonna pack it on a little bit. Keep that foundation and contour in place. So for blush, I decided I want to try something a little bit different. I'm gonna mix my Wet n Wild Mellow Wine because I do like this. It'll warm up the cheeks a little bit without going overboard because this is a brown look, but I do want to add a little warmth to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in with my Style Essentials bronzer right here, and it's almost like a just warm pumpkin-y color. I'm just gonna dab a little bit of this, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix it in. Ooh. So that just warmed up my face real nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face, and I'm using the Milani Holographic Beams palette, and I'm definitely going in with that gold color for sure. Because Thanksgiving Day, you need gold. Okay, now it's time to pile on these browns on the lids, and I'm gonna go into, from the 35V Morphe palette, I'm gonna go ahead and use the color Scandal as my transition shade. I'm just gonna brush it out over the crease, kind of go up a little bit with it. It is so subtle, but it really is just like a perfect transition color, especially if you have lighter skin. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and build from there, and I'm going to go ahead and use the color Spice and kind of lay over top of it and on the actual lid as well. Okay, now I am gonna go ahead in with my angled brush and I'm gonna grab In the Zone. And this one I'm gonna just cat eye. I told you we're gonna layer, so now we're going into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm gonna grab, with the same brush, I'm gonna grab this very dark brown color right here. Just like kind of go right over the lash line and out. But this time I'm going to just keep it at the end and I'm not gonna go over the entire lid with it. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to In the Zone, and I'm just gonna go right underneath the eye. And I'm just gonna connect it. Okay, so this is what we got so far, and now I'm just gonna go back into the original transition shade, that really, really light color, and just blend everything out. I'm also gonna take that transition color and I'm gonna go underneath the eye a little bit, kind of blend out this dark area. I want it to stay dark, but I also want it to look more natural and just smoky. Because I just have to have that little pop of glam going on, I'm gonna go ahead and grab from the Morphe 35V palette, I'm gonna grab the color Shameless, which is just like a really nice neutral color, but it's shimmery and it's very pretty. I'm just gonna pop it in the inner corner of my eye, just to give that little pop of glam a little bit. You know, you see that? I know you see that. Okay, just cleaning up the eyes a little bit. Just gonna dab a tiny bit of concealer over here. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and create a cat eye. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a black eyeliner. I'm just gonna keep it basically on the waterline. I'm not really gonna go much further because that's what this smoky makeup is for. You don't really need to go crazy with the eyeliner. So this is just basically just to make everything look real precise. Okay, and it's time to top off the look. So again, I'm going in with my Ardell Wispies like I always do until I find new lashes that I love. These are my go-to. Okay, wow, that took me like a year and a half today. I don't know why. Just when I think I'm getting better at applying falsies, guess again. So we have like almost a completed face right now. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna go set this face. I'm using the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe and rose water and herb. Oh God, that smells so freaking good. Okay, looks like we just have the lips to do, which happens to be my favorite. I'm gonna go ahead, I am gonna line my lips today because I'm feeling like it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Revlon Color Stay, and it's in the color Nude. Let's get some lining and defining up in here. For lipstick, I'm going to be going in with my, I feel like everybody knows this already. Like, you already know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you already know what I'm gonna say. You already know I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild, and out of the 30 shades I have, I'm going to be using the Mochalicious for this one. It is the perfect brown shade. I love it. I've been wearing it non-stop this season. It's like a really nice, warm, dark brown, and I think that's why I like it. I'm going to top it off with my ELF. This is actually a lip plumper and I really love it. It's pretty good. And it's in the color Mocha Twist. Okay guys, this is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial and I hope it gave you guys some inspiration on maybe something you would like to try yourself for Thanksgiving. So guys, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this look and also what is your go-to makeup look for Thanksgiving? Do you go for more of the reds, the pumpkin colors, the golds, the browns? Let me know and let's talk about it. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and if you do try to recreate this look, please, I would love to see it. Tag me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.